dozen times ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. I don't know why you run, but you're running cool through. All I know is I want to bring you home. So walking in the rain, thumbing for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you once too long, my love's too strong. Let you go, never knowing what went wrong. Oh. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead another town that I'll be walking through. The rain in my shoes, searching for you. Cold Kentucky rain, oh yeah, cold Kentucky rain. Showed you a photograph to show away with me, sitting on a bench outside a general store. Said yes, she's been here, but the memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? Oh wait, the day before. So I finally got a ride from a preacher man who west. We were bound on such a cold dark afternoon. As he drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained, and he left me with a prayer that I'd find you. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead another town that I'll be walking through.